Welcome to an insightful summary of our latest video, meticulously crafted to explore crucial concepts. These ideas are specifically designed to significantly enhance your understanding of complex topics, providing clarity and depth. Today, we're diving deep into the core principles that consistently drive innovation and foster significant progress across various professional fields. We'll offer a clear, practical perspective on their essential real-world applications and impact. Our first key highlight focuses intently on the foundational elements of effective strategic planning. We emphasize how a meticulously well-defined roadmap is absolutely essential for successfully achieving and sustaining long-term organizational goals. This critical process involves thoroughly understanding complex market dynamics, proactively identifying potential challenges before they arise, and strategically leveraging all available resources effectively to create robust and sustainable growth pathways. Next, we examine the truly critical and transformative role of sophisticated data analysis in modern decision-making. We'll showcase precisely how actionable insights derived from comprehensive information can fundamentally transform business outcomes. Accurate and insightful data interpretation empowers organizations to confidently predict emerging market trends, significantly optimize their operational efficiencies, and personalize experiences for their target audience with unparalleled precision and effectiveness. We then delve into the paramount importance of agile methodologies, specifically highlighting their inherent flexibility and remarkable adaptability, which are crucial for thriving in today's rapidly changing and dynamic business environments. These iterative approaches actively foster a culture of continuous improvement and empower teams to respond quickly and effectively to feedback. This ensures projects consistently stay on track and successfully meet evolving demands. Our fourth key point thoroughly explores the undeniable power of effective communication. We emphasize its indispensable role in fostering robust collaboration and successfully achieving shared objectives across all levels of an organization. Clear, transparent, and open dialogue among all team members and key stakeholders ensures everyone remains perfectly aligned. This significantly reduces misunderstandings and effectively accelerates overall project completion. Finally, we discuss the profound significance of continuous learning and ongoing professional development. These are absolutely vital for individuals and organizations to stay competitive and relevant in today's incredibly fast-paced world. Actively embracing new knowledge and continuously acquiring diverse skills is not only vital for personal growth, but also crucial for driving innovation and maintaining a competitive edge within any industry or organization. These 5 interconnected pillars, strategic planning, insightful data analysis, adaptable agile methodologies, effective communication, and continuous learning, are truly fundamental and indispensable for achieving sustained success. Together, they provide a comprehensive and robust framework, empowering both individuals and teams to confidently navigate complex challenges and strategically seize emerging opportunities in our ever-evolving global landscape. We sincerely hope this concise summary has provided you with valuable insights and genuinely sparked your interest in exploring these critical topics further, encouraging deeper engagement. For a much deeper and more comprehensive dive into each of these essential areas, we highly encourage you to be sure to watch the full, detailed video available right here on our channel. Finally, please don't forget to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for even more valuable content, and sharing your insightful thoughts in the comments below.